I am Maureen Campbell. I am the general manager and director of finance at Triangle Tube. I've been with Triangle Tube, it'll be close to 17 years. I've seen a lot of change in different in how we've grown between here and just in North America and our factories over in Europe. Triangle Tube started 40, 50 years ago as just a coil producer that would then go into an oil base boiler. So from there, we've evolved to manufacturing and
So
designing.
my name is Sam. I work at Triangle Tube here in the marketing department as a marketing coordinator, and I've been with the company since November of 2022.
My name is Jacob Lanuza. I'm the project engineer. I'm no longer the newest project engineer. I was joined about a year ago, and I've spent a little bit of time so far in the HVAC manufacturing world, a little bit of time in consulting, and then a little bit of time in the semiconductor industry.
I think with the help of Partful, we'll be able to help with the after sales process. This will help build continued trust and maintain that stronger relationship. And so I do think this will be valuable, and I do think this is going to be pretty positive for us.
Yeah, and it's definitely Partful is a tool that they will utilize that will make their job easier as well. So they're going to love it. And I think that in our big trade show in January, we showed a demo. And I, we came back, we had several emails from people asking when it's going to be launched.
Ah,
So, yeah, it was
absolutely.
very exciting.
Yeah, I would say the one of the biggest needs that Partful is going to fill for us is sort of bridging a lot of the information gaps about our products to our customers. So it's only been, I think, in the recent years that exploded views, CAD files have become available to the general public. And so for us, we go into a product launch, we have an idea of parts that, commonly need service or maintenance over the years. So we have an idea of what customers may need. But having something like Partful is going to really open up the door for a customer to give us something specific. They can go take a screenshot, they can circle exactly what part they're looking at. And if we don't offer that, that's a conversation that only takes about 2 minutes because of Partful. And our tech guys get off the phone that much faster and we have happier customers. So I think that's a big part about Partful that's going to be beneficial.
Definitely will, because there are end users, they will order a part and it may not be the correct part. And if you have a customer that does not have heat, especially certain parts of the North America, it waiting an extra day for the correct part to come can be very frustrating. So hopefully that will eliminate that and help that be a better experience for everyone as well.
We were going to do something, I feel like that was very basic, very 2D. And then when we saw the capabilities of what you guys have done for other manufacturers, I feel it was like this could be potentially a great fit. And then we hopped on a call and it kind of took off from there. And it's been really awesome ever since. We're super excited to be one of the first boiler manufacturers on your platform. I feel like that's something really to highlight there. So, yeah, we're super excited.
Yeah, just received an email from one of our field techs about going live, and they're saying it's a cutting edge feature for service folks and distributors. So everyone, internally and externally, is very excited.
I think they'll be incredibly effective. The fact that they could be able to go in, they can zoom in, they can really narrow it down to the precise part that they're really looking for. I feel like that will add tons of value, less mistakes, decrease the percentage of parts that are misidentified. I think it would definitely help with better clarity for people as opposed to something that's a little bit more 2D that might be hard to zoom in. It might overlap with another part by accident. I feel like it would just leave for less error overall. I think we do anticipate a very positive response from all of our customers and our reps from this platform. They, like Maureen said, from the AHR Expo, and they got the
Oh, yeah.
demo it and see it. It was a really big hit. People were super excited. They were talking about it after the show. I do think overall this will be really positive. I think it's going to help them in the field. It's going to help them support the contractors. Yeah, we're really excited. I think this is going to be great.
And in some ways, they're going to want more.
Yeah.
They're going to all have ideas of what we could
Yeah,
do.
right.
I will say I'm hoping that there is less calls. I'm hoping that this helps solve their problem out in the field, and they. But if they call us up and they're asking for more kits, then I guess it's a good thing. So
And at the end, it's the ultimate buying the more units too, because of the support they have. And that will be the best.
Working with Partful has been great. Via Jacob, we get on weekly calls with your team, go over everything. It's just a kind of been a quick recap, go back and forth. Everyone's been super responsive, super helpful. They've been helping us get organized. I feel like with all the data and how we can translate all that data to you guys to make sure all of our models are correct. It's been a very positive experience. We've really enjoyed this collaboration.
I would say working with Partful's team has made me want to visit Manchester. So I'll
Yes,
put that
that
out there.
too.
They're good people. They take care of the things that they do, but makes me want to come out to Manchester by everyone around. So
I think for us, it's being the OEM, it's about servicing the customer all the way to the end, even after the boiler sale. It's for years to come and how we can assist them and make their job easier. And, again, like I said earlier, it's the beginning to end, the whole customer experience through all levels. And I think this platform's going to, like someone said, it's going to be cutting edge. I have a feeling people are going to pick up and copy and implement as well.
I do think that this will help us anticipate our customers' needs. And I do think this will help provide really good customer service, like Maureen said, from start to finish. It's about also being proactive at the same time, like not just attacking some of these issues as they arise, but before the issues even occur. I feel like this will help us be kind of better on top of that versus just kind of addressing the problems as they come. We can provide this as a tool for not only contractors, but distributors as well.
I would say it's a confidence builder. I would say that right now in the industry, we're seeing a lot of turnover from a lot of the older generations to the younger up and coming. So I would say with having that kind of big educational gap, I think something like Partful is really going to help some of those new apprentices or some of those guys where it's the first time getting into a boiler.
Yep.
And so I think that building confidence is going to be a big step in the right direction for customer service and customer experience.